Now, we Filipinos love our kilig-worthy songs, and our next guest delivers just that and so much more. You might know him for his feel-good hits like Mirasol and the Pritong Itlog. We'll get to know more about that later. But behind the sunshine-laden melodies and chill guitar strums, who is the man behind the music? Leo is in the house to tell us everything, but first, let's hear his chart-topping take on Blue Jeans' classic Paniwalaan on Daymix.
Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y totoo, ni walang halong biro. Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito. Walang ibang mamahalin kung di ikaw lamang kilig. Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito. Sa aking buhay ay walang kapantay aking pagmamahal. Asahan mong tunay, pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y totoo, ni walang halong biro. Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito. Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito. Sa aking buhay ay walang kapantay aking pagmamahal. Asahan mong tunay, pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y totoo, ni walang halong biro. Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito. Ang pag-ibig kong ito, ang pag-ibig kong ito.
Ladies and gentlemen, Leo, that's Paniwalaan, and thank you so much. We're gonna have you sit down here at the moment. Grabe, no? What a beautiful start to our
I
day.
know. Reminiscing agad, diba?
Oh, I love it. I love
Such
the
a
sound.
throwback track.
I was going to say, Leo, first of all, maraming salamat. Thank you so much for waking up and of course, being able to sing in the morning. Alam ko mahirap 'yan para sa mga song artists natin.
Oo.
Oo. So okay ka lang ba?
Okay na okay po.
Ayun.
Thank you so much po for having me here.
Of
sa
course,
Billionaire.
of course. Thank you for waking up and singing this early in the morning.
Of course. Let's start off first with what's in the name eh. Kasi yung Leo, it's spelled L-E-Y-O. Normally wala yung Y and Leo yung Leo yung mga pangalan that we're used to. Pero anong storya sa likod ng Leo?
Yung sa Leo po, real name ko po talaga is Leo. L-E-O.
Yes.
Okay.
Tapos, nag-start po kasi siya nung pandemic kasi nag-try po ako dati mag live streaming sa mga live streaming apps. So, parang stepping stone ko din siya.
Okay.
Tapos, nakita ko ang dami pong Leo na L-E-O.
Yes.
So, paano ba ako mag-stand out dito na magiging unique ako na Leo pa rin pero pwede kong gamitin yung name ko pa rin. Tapos ayun na naisip ko po lagyan ng Y. Kasi why not? Di ba?
Why not?
Ay,
Akala ko,
fairness, pinractice mo yan. Ha?
akala ko kasi fan ka ni Neo.
Oo, kasi akala ko nga Leo. So sabi ko kanina on our intro, if the US has Neo, dito sa Philippines meron tayong Leo.
Leo, pero maleo pala yung sagot mo. Or sa when we look at your music and we listen to it, alam mo, napa-throwback ako kasi yung sound mo parang old soul ka eh. Feeling mo ba yon? Because yung mga...
Oo nga. At saka ilang
Yung
taon siya nung
26.
lumabas yung ano.
Oo.
Nung lumabas yung song na
yung song na yun,
ni-remake
di ko
mo.
alam. Actually, might be older than me nga eh.
Yeah.
Kasi
Oo.
po nasanay ako sa like nung bata po ako growing up, puro mga jukebox hits.
Okay.
Yes.
Mga songs from 70s,
Right.
ganun, Beatles. So, parang
While growing up, ito yung music that you were listening to or the people around you were listening to? Yung parents mo, family mo?
yung family ko po,
Okay.
nakikinig po sila doon. Pero meron po talaga, meron po ako isang kwento na
Oh.
yung tito ko po, dati nagkaroon po kasi ako ng MP3.
Okay.
May regaluhan ako noon.
Oo.
9 years old ako, 8 years old.
Okay.
Tapos, dinownloadan niya ng siguro 1,000 na kanta, like
Wow.
1,000 songs. Tapos, halo-halo po yung genres doon. Like, mayroong mga songs from 60s, 70s, 80s. Kaya, ako, yung pinapakinggan ko yun. Tapos, yung pinapakinggan ng mga kasing edad ko, iba. So, parang, okay, parang mas gusto ko yung mga old songs.
Yung old songs.
Wow, okay.
Mas
Yeah.
nakaka-connect po sa akin.
They don't make it the way they used to back in the day.
Well,
That's what I
until-
always say.
Until Leo starts making his own songs, diba?
Pero-
He brings back a certain
Yeah.
mood. Oo.
And you call your fans yellow. Tama ba?
Opo.
Yellow. Oh, anong kwento behind that? And even your whole vibe is actually very yellow. You're bright, warm, and full of
Oo.
energy. And then you call your fans yellow. What's the story behind that? And why yellow? Does that color really represent you?
Actually po yung Yellows po, sila po yung nagtawag sa sarili nila.
Really?
Ah.
Kaya po hindi po ako like parang unplanned siya.
Okay.
Biglaan lang siya.
Oo.
Pero ang story behind that ng name po na yun na Yellows is dahil lang po sa, di ba, Leo?
Oo, may
Tapos
Y ka.
Yellow.
Yun
lang po. Ganun lang siya kasimple.
Okay.
It's not that deep, pero ayun po na.
It's cute though.
Oo.
Yeah.
Well,
So naka-yellow yung mga fans mo pag nanonood sila sa gigs mo.
Opo, lalo na po pag may
Seriously?
fan meet. Like,
Wow.
nag-yellow po sila or white and yellow.
Tapos yung greeting niya sa fan meet niya, hello. But of Sorry
Pasensyahan mo na tong partner ko ah.
Okay lang po, parehas po kami.
Oo,
Parehas po tayo ng humor.
Oh, I feel it kaya nagba-vibe tayo diba? Alright, now, so one thing I want to also ask about, kanina na-mention ko to kanina that you're now known for your mga kilig songs. So, okay, so Mirasol, and of course, Pritong Itlog. Okay, I just
Yeah,
I
what
just
is
need
that
to know.
all about?
Nagdedebate kami kanina eh. Is it a love for breakfast? Ano ba yung Pritong Itlog?
Actually po, yung song po kasi na yun, yung Pritong Itlog is my favorite breakfast growing up.
Ayun.
Plus, ang love language ko is act of service.
Oh.
So, I usually pinagluluto ko yung mga taong mahal ko.
Okay.
May mahal ka ba ngayon?
Mahal po, mga family,
Yun!
Yellows.
Yo,
Syempre.
okay naman.
naman.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
it's
he's
hard to
very
live
much
without-
loved by a lot of people.
It's hard to live without love. Oh, diba?
Tapos ayun, yun nga, syempre nung college, pinagluluto ko yung kung sino man yung ka-relationship ko noon. So, Pritong Itlog. Kasi po kasi 'di ba college wala pang gaanong budget. So, pinaka-accessible is yung itlog.
Eggs, yeah.
Then, nagkataon na yun yung favorite ko na breakfast. Tapos, nung pandemic parang, maglo-look back nga ako and huhugot ako. Then, ayun na po. Yan na yung Pritong Itlog na song. Nasulat ko na siya. May konting pag-reminisce.
Magaling kang magprito ng itlog.
I would say, opo.
Okay.
Alam mo, gusto kong
Kasi-
marinig eh.
Yeah,
like,
so-
how does the song sound?
Yeah,
Kaya
like-
mo bang i-sample?
Yeah,
Like,
just
a few
just a
lines.
quick sample. Yeah.
Yes.
Tuwing umaga tayo ay magkasama at sabay sa kusina at kakain ng iyong paboritong Pritong itlog na may pagmamahal at samahan mo pa ng aking pang-aasar kapag may butil ng kanin.
I love that. I love that. The moment nag-key change ng slight, it then went to pritong itlog.
Naging romantic. Yung pagprito ng itlog, such a simple task.
Yung kulang na lang
Pero
talaga
nung
yung
kinanta
detalye na yung pritong itlog dapat on top of a bed of pancit canton. You know, minsan yung
Pwede, or
yan yung sa
fried
college
rice.
Yan yung sa college diba? Back in the day. All right. So we're having a better idea of how you make your music. So base sa experience mo. And kasi you have to write what you know Diba yan yung sinasabi nila. So how do you manage to find yung old soul na yan na that's something that you fell in love with at yung mga experiences mo as a 26-year young person. Kasi sobrang simple but you're having a lot of fun doing what you do.
Yeah.
Opo, siguro I'm just being true to myself na kung ano yung nafe-feel ko that moment. Yun lang po. And siguro align din sa personality ko kasi old soul ako. It's how I see the things in life, yung perspective ko. Nilalagay ko lang po siya, ayun, genuinely sa songs.
Yeah.
Opo, and
Alam mo, Ann,
Oh.
normally may feelings tayo kapag umuulan.
Oo.
Oo.
Yun nga I was gonna ask about that new song that just dropped this month, di ba? Bagong-bago, fresh off the boat. Kapag umuulan, what is that all about?
actually, yung sa kapag umuulan po, I wrote that song way back 2023 pa.
Okay.
Yung, every year naman po siguro kasi may habagat, di ba?
Oh.
And yung story behind that song, ito po kasi medyo cheesy siya, pero
Okay
Sige,
lang.
we love cheesy. Go ahead, tell us.
ang main inspo ko sa song po na yun is one day, meron po akong pupuntahan na lugar. Then, bago ako pumunta sa isang lugar na yun, nagpunta muna ako sa waiting shed. Tapos may nakasabay po akong cute na
Oy.
girl.
Okay.
Tapos parang wala kaming payong pare. Ay, may payong ako, siya po wala siyang payong.
Okay.
Then parang gusto ko sanang ibigay yung payong ko sa kanya. Kaso di ko siya kayang i-approach kasi yun po, medyo torpe ako and
Shy type ka.
Shy type po
man,
tayo.
Di mo nilapitan.
Hindi po.
Okay.
Tapos ayun, may sumundo sa kanya. Tapos
Ginawa mong kanta.
Boyfriend ba yung sumundo?
hindi ko po alam kung boyfriend pero
Okay.
ayun po, parang ganun siya. Tapos kaya merong line sa song na parang bibigay ko ng buo pati ang payong ko sa'yo. Ano pang kailangan mo? Parang
Alam mo, sensational ang mga payong ngayon,
Oo nga eh.
Dahil kay Curly Discaya.
Actually,
Ay, ano pala, Sarah Discaya.
Sasabihin ko sana protest song ba to kapag umuulan?
Kasi payong
Oo,
eh.
kasi payong, no. And then umuulan But then, of course, it's so nice that you're connecting to yung romantic side ng mga Pinoy. Kasi alam naman natin na talagang sawi yung mga Pinoy in general.
We love heartbreak songs.
Oo.
We love sentimental music talaga. So this is what you love writing about. All about love.
yes po, all about love. Pero may mga songs din po ako about heartbreak, about
Yeah.
starting over again.
Ooh,
Grabe.
starting over again.
Pero alam mo,
Gusto ko yan.
speaking about that, I want to talk about yung simula mo. Kasi if I'm not mistaken, street busker ka lang dati. Diba?
Opo.
You used to perform kung saan-saan lang. If ever, free concert yun. But nag-viral ka rin because yung lola mo actually gave you a kiss, if I'm not mistaken.
There
during
was a
certain-
lola, I think, in
there
the
was
A
a
lola,
crowd.
oo,
na
a lola from a
lumapit.
crowd, oo.
Oo.
Actually, ano po, that time po kasi, yung lola ko po kasi na nag-alaga sa akin nung lumalaki is, nag-pass away siya nung pandemic.
Mm.
So, that time, nung nagbabasking po ako, nung nangyari yun nga, kinisa ko ng lola sa busking, nag-grieve po ako nung time na yun. Tapos parang, I'm praying na, kumusta ka na kaya, Lola? Kumusta na kaya si Lola? Tapos, ayun, para siyang sign ng heavens.
So we're showing the video right now. Ito yan, no?
Ayan.
Siyempre,
That was the spirit nung lola mo telling you na okay lang ako, apo.
Opo.
Diba? Yeah.
so
yeah.
sinapian yung lola na
Hindi naman, grabe to. Pang Halloween naman yung version ng kwento more.
Oh, I mean, love and Halloween. No, but all of that, syempre, I mean, like, look, we're seeing moments like that, syempre, it all comes from yung sa busking mo. Just how big of that was a start na, kasi confidence builder rin yan eh. The crowd that builds up
Yeah.
as you start busking. So,
Opo. Nung nag-start po ako, nahihiya-hiya pa po talaga ako.
Okay.
Pero parang as time passed by, habang ginagawa ko siya pa ulit-ulit, na feel ko po na, ito talaga yung gusto kong gawin, yung mag-perform sa harap ng crowd.
Okay.
Makita yung mga ngiti nila, na nakakapagbigay ako ng good vibes. Ayun po.
Right.
Then, mas lalo akong ginaganahan na, nagbibigay siya ng sense of purpose and fulfillment po sa akin.
So from busking, tapos ngayon you have around 500,000 monthly listeners on Spotify. Did you ever imagine that, your music would reach this far?
Actually, unexpected po talaga lahat.
Okay.
Like parang, I just want to sing and I just want to perform.
Yeah.
Ayun nga po, babalik ako doon. Pero I feel so blessed na dumami yung listeners po. And so grateful sa mga fans and sa mga yellows, sa mga sa mga naka-appreciate ng music po.
Alam mo,
nilalabas ko.
You're absolutely right. And yung mga yellows mo are actually on our social media right now. In fact, may
Yeah.
mga nagre-request ngayon asking kung pwede bang pasample ng content ng kapag umuulan. Just a little, if ever. Ito na, ladies and gentlemen, a bit of a preview here of kapag umuulan that just dropped this October.
Kapag umuulan at napupuno ng tubig ang daanan, maghahanap ng masisilungan kahit panandalian ako'y natunaw nang makita ka sa may tindahan at kahit na di kita kilala ay ibibigay ko ng buo pati ang payong ko sa'yo o ano pa ang kailangan mo.
Leo,
That's so sweet.
I
Alam mo,
love
pag
the
umuulan,
music.
masarap mang pritong itlog. Pwede mong mash up.
But of course, I just have to say that grabe yung fandom mo is growing more and more. We feel it dito sa show on our social media. In fact, it was yung mga producer namin who's saying that, they are coming up. And making themselves known at the moment. And na-mention nga ni Ann kanina, na from busking to 500,000 streams over on
Diba?
Spotify.
On Spotify.
Feeling ko yung next goal niya.
Such an amazing growth.
Feeling ko yung next goal niya is sell out yung market eh, 'di ba? Yan yung
That's
yan yung peg, 'di ba?
Yeah,
Yan yung goal.
yan yung peg. Pag successful ka na pag na fully booked mo yung
Oo.
yung market. But the one you sang kanina, yung paniwalaan, it's climbing the charts now, music charts now. How do you choose kung ano yung mga i-cover mong songs? Are these like your personal favorites?
Yes, una-una po, favorite ko po yung Paniwalaan.
Okay.
Growing up, pinapakinggan ko po siya. And very nostalgic po sa akin yung song. Pero yung song po kasi, para po siyang, biglaan din po siyang dumating sa akin. Like parang, tinawagan po ako ng manager ko if go po ako or willing ako na i-cover tong song na to, Paniwalaan, for a catalog project.
Okay.
Tapos, immediately, I said yes.
Okay.
Sure, of course. Maganda po kasi yung song and nostalgic sa akin. Then, I have 2 days para kumpletuhin lahat. Yung vocals, yung arrangement.
Oh, okay.
So, I work with my producer. For 2 days, nirecord lang po namin lahat sa condo lang.
Wow.
That's
Sa condo lang,
amazing.
no? So, no excuses talaga for those who want to start also. But, Anne, you know what? I think there's some comments over on social media. We'll have you
Yes.
look at that.
Nika Carullo says, proud of you always, Leo. And hindi ko man nakuha ang pangalan mo pero nakuha mo. What's that? Sana i-perform kapag umuulan.
Ayun.
And
there
then, good
it is.
morning, I love you, Leo. Ang daming message.
Oo nga eh.
And we even have people watching from California and enjoying the show, enjoying your
Okay.
performance.
Oo. Guys, don't forget to love us also, ha? No, all of that aside. Pero Leo, grabe, you have been so busy so booked, of course. And right now we're wondering kung ano yung mga susunod na projects mo. Where can we find you?
Ayun, sa mga susunod na projects ko, I will announce it sa mga social media pages ko.
Yeah.
Please
where can
do
they follow
follow me on my social media accounts at Leopols, LeyopOls, on all these social media platforms. And please do stream my songs on Spotify at Leo, Leyo. Then, yun.
Oo.
All right, so we have this thing in the show. It's we're not yet done, by the way, but we have this thing in the show wherein for some reason kapag nagpa-pray over kami, yung mga dream collab
happens.
nangyayari.
Yeah.
For example lang ito yung favorite example ko kasi totoo to.
Yeah, it really happened.
When
Go.
we had Abby Marquez over, sabi namin, nag-pray over kami, sabi nila, hey, let's pray na we're going to work and find Gordon Ramsay and then mag-collab kayo. And nag-collab sila. So, we're not saying that it's going to happen for sure kasi depende kay Lord yun.
Pero kasi we asked her who's her dream collab and sabi niya
Oo.
Gordon Ramsay, tapos nag-pray over kami and it actually happened in just a matter of months,
And
diba?
yeah, ito mga 3 months ang ate.
Oo, parang mga
So,
3 months and then she was able to meet Gordon Ramsay.
So, sino yung dream collab mo, local at foreign?
Local at foreign. Sige, sa foreign muna po tayo.
Okay.
Foreign, siguro si Olivia Rodrigo.
Okay. Why not? Okay, why not? Okay,
And
local.
Sa local po talaga, si Sir Rico Blanco.
Rico
Really?
Blanco.
Rico Blanco. Oh, that's so interesting.
Rico Blanco might be watching right now. First and foremost, pwede ka mag-guest sa show, Rico Blanco. And then, second of all,
Mag-workshop tayo dito.
Mag-collab kayo ni,
Ni Leo. Diba?
Leo and Rico in
Leo
the
and Rico.
house.
Okay,
diba?
you see, that works better. Then, all right, no, but then, of course, we're going to be praying over that. We're going to be making sure that, hopefully, we're going to
Yes.
pray for your continued
We
success.
manifest.
Oh, we're going to
Thank you
manifest
po.
it. But of course, Leo, for those who are curious to see more of you in terms of yung mga live show mo, do you have anything up in mind?
Sa October 18 po, Saturday, nasa Eastwood Mall po ako for a pop-up show.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So, 6 p.m. po sa Eastwood Mall. And ayun pa lang po yung
Okay.
mga
So
yung iba
the
to be
yellows are
announced na
gonna
lang
be
sa social
Social
media pages.
media.
Okay.
Ayun. All right, Anne. So I think it's time to wrap things up here.
Yes, our show is called Beautiful Day. So, Leo, what makes your day beautiful?
When I wake up in the morning and yun pa lang po, nakikita ko yung pagbuklat ng mata ko is blessing na agad sa akin. Then nare-remind ako na, wow, it's another day to start again, to start over, and be happy and be thankful and be a blessing sa lahat.
Ano mo?
ganda.
Na-disappoint ako doon.
Bakit?
Kala ko pritong itlog eh.
Yun din,
Oo,
after
oo.
niyang ma-realize na blessing yung magising siya, magpiprito na siya ng itlog.
Shout out to our producer Kelsey for that hirit. I just want to say, kasi sasabihin ko sana bacon and itlog eh. Diba?
Bacon, social. Pwede na yung pritong itlog.
Social ba yung bacon? Okay,
Mahal po
anyway.
ng bacon.
Mahal mo ng bacon.
Oh, diba?
Yeah, true.
College
Fine. Okay,
student.
my gosh.
Thank you, Leo, for joining us today. Thank you so much.
Nagdag ako sa bacon ko. Ayun lang. Alright. Okay, Leo, maraming salamat. Thank you so much.
po, sir.
And we can't wait to stream your stuff. In fact, I think I'll do that right after.